Hello class and welcome to my Catch Share program presentation. Starting off in the United States, we have the Wisconsin Great Lakes Individual Transferable Quota Program. This program started in 1971 because of concerns about stock sustainability and increasing conflicts between user groups. Wisconsin first developed the Catch Share for Lake Superior commercial lake trout fishery, followed by the chub and yellow perch fishery that came into the share in 1983, and after the success of both of these fisheries, rainbow smelt, lake whitefish, and round whitefish were added in 1989. Some additional information: the management authority and oversight is Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources. This fishery supports 56 commercial fishermen on Lake Michigan and 10 on Lake Superior. The program type is individual transferable quota. From 1989 to 2000, the annual average value of landings on Lake Michigan was over $5 million. Catch shares have decreased user conflicts and provided fishermen the flexibility needed to meet market demands and adjust to changes in environmental and stock conditions. Moving on to the Greenland shrimp fishery, the program start date was 1996. Greenland was predominantly a seal hunting territory up until 1920, where sea temperature warming took away seals and brought in cod fishing until the 1990s. Then the sea temperatures declined again, which caused shrimp to become the main source. Greenland's coast is very dynamic in regards to ocean circulation. So this goes back to the point about how the sea temperature fluctuates so much, is because of the layout and the location of Greenland in the Atlantic Ocean. Some additional information: the management authority and oversight is the Ministry of Fisheries, Hunting, and Agriculture in Greenland. The program type is individual transferable quota. This is the largest fishery in the North Atlantic, and it generates 90% of the export value of the country. The main problem with this fishery is that it overlaps areas of redfish, halibut, cod, and other groundfish species which are showing a decline in abundance. And because of this, in 2000, they made sorting grids and laws that forbid fishing when the bycatch exceeds legal limits. In 2004, landings reached 113,000 tons, and the stock was estimated at 300,000 tons. Now to the more opinionated part of the presentation in regards to living resources in the nation's exclusive economic zone are the property of all U.S. citizens. The Wisconsin Great Lakes Individual Transferable Quota Program, I believe, was very fair with this. The Native Americans were the first fishers in the Wisconsin area, and this supposedly brought a decrease to the species in the area, which caused the development of this program. And like I said previously, the president of the Wisconsin Commercial Fishermen's Association and the Lake Michigan, as well as commercial and charter fishing specialists, say that this has helped tremendously. In regards to the Greenland shrimp fishery, the whole U.S. citizen thing doesn't really work out for this, but was it fair in regards to their citizens? I believe so, considering the fishery is under the management of an organization based out of Greenland. This is very beneficial when it comes to making decisions in regards to what is best for the territory. Also, with the constant need to adapt to resources around them since the early 1990s in regards to ocean circulation, temperatures rising, decreasing, all that good stuff, they've done right in establishing a set fishery for their resource. And here are my references.